Alright guys, here opening probably the last of the extra booster threes. So, I'm gonna fly through here real quick. Yes, it was sealed. See, you can count the packs and pause it and look at it. They're all sealed. I'm not sure what I'm hoping for here. Something for the Royal Paladin, the Gold Paladins. Justin was telling me it was good. I don't know. Vortimer. I guess that's good. Is that a rare?
Nice art.
Yeah. It's much nicer.
I like the Chimera tech you had too.
Right? It's the same thing.
Volcanus.
Injectors.
Sweet.
I think the art's what keeps me into this game. And there's no OTKs. Is there one?
Dude, is that a fair injection lily up there?
Yeah, pretty much. Angel Feathers? No, it's Gold Paladin. Looks like it should be Angel Feathers. Hey, Spike Brothers.
Dude, duel on a motorcycle.
They're football players. It's Green Goblin. A lot of her. Gigatank Destroyer, supposed to be pretty decent. I think you actually play him. Gets 2,000 on top of 10, that's pretty big. It's pretty beefy. It's good. Deadly Emperor.
That's crazy looking.
Yeah. Spike Brothers are all, I think, football players. Or
so which one's rare?
machines.
Like as far as...
Oh, that's a triple rare. Yeah, I should have put that over here. These are doubles.
Okay.
Yeah, the ones with the dots pretty much are all the doubles.
Okay.
And every set it changed, the background style changes. This is just kind of boring.
Single rare.
Yeah, like the rares over here. Where did they
Is that
put
an
it?
ulti?
Pretty much. Where did they put it? Oh, well, I'll show it.
Show
It's over there in that stack. They're like squares.
The DT.
Kinda. No.
Single
Vortimer, which with that much of an effect, I would think it'd be good. And a 10,000 shield. It's pretty good grade 0. That's hot. I mean,
Tour guide with wings.
pretty much. And maybe a tail. It's Exector Hornet. Seriously.
It really is.
It really is. About to get limited.
Reminds me of the bug people that Napa killed.
Yeah. Twin Shine. Wow, only one triple rare. Okay, well.
What'd you expect?
That's the way it goes. I was hoping for just 2.
Well, here comes your second one.
Nope. Another Battle Football. Jelly Beans.
Nice. Reminds me of that Sega game that was like robot football back in the original Sega.
Whoa. Looks brother, sister, I guess. Ah, double rare, okay.
See?
Dragon
Told
Law
ya.
Keeper. Well,
It's coming.
not a triple, but I'll take it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.